Wow, these people are making money on this site. One person made $10 with just one click. Another person made $2 with just one click. And another person has made $66. And another person has made $8 in Bitcoin. Wow. So the name of this site is www.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $12 by clicking one button. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometime this month, there's only a couple of days left, I'm going to give away some free money. So do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss not one video when it drops. And please hit that like button for me. It really helps out my video and helps out this channel. Also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Now, I don't want to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this method. But first, I just want to say this. I want to give credit to Victor A. Perez. I don't think I'm saying his last name right, but he inspired me to make this video. So thank you, Victor. Keep doing what you're doing. All right. Please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $12 by clicking one button. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first site. I'm gonna show a couple of sites. Okay, now on this first site, what you're gonna be doing is getting paid to watch ads. So once you get to this site, just go to where it says paid to click ads, and it's going to take you to this page. And we're going to scroll down here, and as you can see, here's the ads. And it shows you how much you're going to be making for every ad you click. So when you click this one, it's 5 cents. Here's another one, 5 cents. Here's 1 cent. Here's another 1 cent. Here's another one, 1 cent. Now, I know that this is kind of low. I know it's not much money, but it can add up very quickly because it only 5 seconds to look at an ad. That's about it. So as you keep going, looking through these ads, some of them do have 30 seconds to look at an ad, but that can add up. And that, as you know, before you know it, you'll be at $12. Now, let me tell you one more other thing. And matter of fact, on this side, you'll get paid through PayPal. Let me show you one other thing here. Let's scroll down here. Well, let me tell you this. It has 31,244,922 users. And it has 1,997,805,366 clicks. Wow, that's a lot. And users that's online is 20,360. So a lot of people are using this site to make money just by clicking on ads. Now let's just scroll down here. I want to show you something right quick. Okay, right here where it says recommend us, it says use our referral program, recommend Oju, watch an ad to others and get rewarded for that. You get credited for every click of your referral. Also, you will get up to $20 bonus. So you can get up to $20 bonus just referring this website to, people on social media, your friends. So that's it about this site. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one. So if you're interested in starting on this site and just doing a simple watching ad with just a click of your button and get paid, go to wad.ojoo.com. All right, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Paid Verts. Okay, so it says here, connect, click, and earn. Discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time. So let's scroll down here, and we're going to click right here where it says Start Earning. Now, this is a new website I'm telling you guys about. I haven't talked about this website before, so you're getting something new. All right, so on this page here, it shows the last 48 top earners. So these are the last 48 top earners right here. And let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more about this site. So Paid Verts pays you to interact with advertisers. So paid ads will be delivered to your account daily. All you have to do is copy 3 lines of text about the ad, and then visit the website for up to 30 seconds to unlock your instant cash payment. All right, now let's look at some payment proof right quick. Let's scroll down here. As you can see, this person right here, they get paid through Perfect Money, and they got paid $10. This other person got paid $66.60. Another person got paid $2. Another person got paid $5. Now, if you want to get paid through Bitcoin, they have that also. So one person got paid $8.30 of Bitcoin. Another person got paid $96 of Bitcoin. And then they have this other platform you can use to get payment from, which is called Payer. And on here, this person one person got paid $1, one person got paid $3, and one person got paid $8. So basically, that's it for this website. Like I say, it's similar to the other one, just a few little things that's different about this site, but it's a good site to make some extra money. You're not going to get rich on this, but if you do it enough times, just watching some ads for 30 seconds, that money can add up over time. But if you want to make some quick money real easy, this is the site to go to. So the name of this site again is paidverts.com. All right, now you know how to earn $12 just by clicking one button. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you guys want to win some free money, help me to get to 2,000 subscribers this month, the month of February 2020. Help me to get there before this month is over to 2,000 subscribers, and you're going to get a chance to win some free money. Matter of fact, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So to get a chance to free money once I hit 2,000 subscribers, these are the instructions you have to follow. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like this video and all my videos. Watch this video and all my videos all the way to the very end. And most importantly, drop a comment down below. And what I'm going to do is use this website. It's called YouTube Random Comment Picker. And that website is going to pick the winners of the comments. Going to pick the winners by their comments. So once I get those 2 comments and I find out who they are, they will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win that free money, drop a comment down below, guys. And if you have any questions about what I talked about today, drop that also down in the comment section. All right, so that's all I have for this video. Please again, hit that like button. It really helps out my channel. And please help me to get 100 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And like I said before, if you want to win some free money, make sure you drop that comment down there. And please share this all around the internet, because I really truly want to help everybody I can to start making money online so they can be their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss not one video when it's dropped. Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. That's all I have for this. That's all I have for this video. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Please go watch some of my other videos. Peace.